presentation, I will try to explain the concept of debugging and how it is done. Here I have a very simple Python program, and I will try to stop the program execution, and after stopping the program I can inspect the values of the variables associated with this code. So the command to stop the program execution and inspect the variables, it is this set underscore trace that is part of the library called PDB, which I assume it stands for Python debugging. So at the very beginning I import the library, the PDB, and then when I run my program, at some point when the system encounters the set trace, it will stop the program and then will give me the option to go one line at a time, and at the same time to be able to inspect the assigned values to the variables. So let's run and see what happened. So I run the program, and here I see that the system tells me I'm going to run the statement n3 equals n1 plus n2 plus 1. So in other words, it's about to run this statement. So in order to run the statement, I type next or n for next, and the system executes that line and goes to the next line and waits for my desires, for my command. At this point, I can inspect the values. So let's see what is the value of the variable named n1. So I type the name of the variable, I hit enter, and it says n1 is 1. What about n2? If you type the name of the variable and you hit enter, is n2. How about n3? n3, if you see here the Python code, it says is the n1 plus the n2 plus 1, and it is 4. So 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 indeed. So let me see the value of the variable n4. And it says n4 is not defined. In other words, the system at this point has no idea of the existence of the variable n4 because the system has stopped before this line, and now it's asking me, do you want me to execute this line? And up to this point I didn't say yes or no, simply I was inspecting the values of the variables. So if I type n or next, for the next command the system will execute and go to the subsequent command. Now I can inspect and see the value of the n4, which is 8. If I run the next line, which says n5 is whatever it is, the system will go to the next one, and now I can inspect the value of the variable n5 and see that it is 8 as well. So this is a simple way of go and trace your program step by step to see, does it do the things you expect to do. So that's for the moment. Let's move this so you can see, because I think it goes out. Okay, here we are. We have seen that the value of n4 and n5 is 8. Now the system is about to execute ww0, which I just placed it there so I will have the time, or the system will stop, so I will have the time to inspect the previous line. So if I hit end, the system will finish. And that's it for the moment.